Yeah, Hency. So first of all, congratulations for scoring 88 marks in FR, F2, sorry. And मुझे एक बात बताओ हेंजी कि तुमने जो ये F2 का एग्जाम दिया, did you do coaching for that or you did self study only?
No, I did not take any coaching class for F2. I just watched your videos and took the subscription for exam kit videos.
Okay. So तुम्हें F2 करने में कितना टाइम लगा?
So actually, I had my boards alongside 12th standard.
Okay.
So I was planning long before, but
Okay.
it took a long time. Like I did 5 chapters, then there was a huge gap of like 1 month or so because my board exams were going on. Then I started at like on 14 June or so. I completed the remaining chapters. And then
14 June.
again there were some functions and all. So then
Okay.
I practiced exam kit questions. I gave a mock and then I gave the exam on 27 July.
Okay. So अगर on an average, if I ask that, how much time technically should F2 take? कि एक स्टूडेंट जैसे you are in 12th तो तुम्हारे लिए F2 करना I know it's going to be a bit tougher. Bit reason being because the students who have done the class 12th and who are in graduation उनको F2 के बारे में थोड़ा बहुत पता होता है कॉस्टिंग के बारे में but as like in 12th accounts is a new subject for you and everything is new तो इससे थोड़ा टाइम ज्यादा लगा but technically if I ask कि नॉर्मली F2 को करने में कितना एक टाइम लग जाता है?
I guess not more than a month.
Not more than a month.
Like,
Okay, ठीक है. So you did only
yeah.
Kaplan study text or you did study text of Kaplan and exam kits of both PPP and Kaplan?
No, I had got printed only the Kaplan study text and the Kaplan exam kit.
Kaplan exam kit. Okay. And did you give mocks before the exam as well?
Yeah, because due to time constraint, I was able to give only the one mock test, which was there in exam kit itself.
Okay. So जो mock तुमने दिया था, how much marks you scored in that mock?
So I like first I started a mock, so I was able to complete all the 35 objective test questions, and then I had to go out somewhere, so I couldn't do the multiple task questions, and in
Okay.
that is 70 mark questions. So I scored 56 around, yes, out of 70.
6 out of 70. Okay. अच्छा सो ये सो हो गया एग्जाम का सारा टेक्निकल पार्ट एंड ऑल. अब अगर हम स्टडी की बात करें, एग्जाम के चैप्टर्स की बात करें, तो व्हाट डू यू फील के एग्जाम में कौन कौन से चैप्टर्स ऐसे हैं जिस F2 के जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए बिकॉज 88 मार्क्स लाना इन F2 इज अ वेरी वेरी गुड थिंग एंड ऑफ कोर्स इट मींस कि तुमने बहुत अच्छी प्रिपरेशन करी है. तो कौन से चैप्टर्स ऐसे हैं F2 के अंदर जिसमें स्टूडेंट्स को थोड़ा ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहिए?
Yes. So I think one there is the normal distribution table. So that is important. Though
Okay.
I was a bit surprised because in my exam, not I I'm sure not even a single question was asked from that chapter normal distribution table thing. But it is
Okay.
important. If it is asked, you have to be prepared.
Okay.
And second thing was the standard costing chapter because there are so many variances there, and they are all
Right.
different, like rate variance, efficiency variance. That
So
was
that
the
is
part I
standard
had to.
costing and the performance management.
Yes, and the ratios too. Ratios were a bit easy compared to the other chapters because we had studied in 12th management accounts.
Right.
Yeah.
In 12th, basically accounting ratios you have already studied. So management accounting में ratios helped you. But
Yes.
तो सारे chapters में technically तो ये है कि we have to read all the chapters and but जो ये chapters जो तुमने बताए इस पे थोड़ा सा ज्यादा focus हमें करना चाहिए.
Yes, और वो जो present value table is there, the net present value table and NAV table, that we have to understand the concept well and we should practice how to apply it.
Okay. So जो टेबल वैसे हमें गिवन होती है उसका रेफरेंस हम वी कैन टेक द रेफरेंस बट डू यू थिंक कि हमें वो भी लर्न करना चाहिए कि वो कैसे कैलकुलेट होगी?
या टेबल हमें दिया होता है लेकिन यस इट इज हेल्पफुल कि हमें पता चले कि वो वैल्यू आती कैसे है,
अच्छा.
हाउ इट इज डिराइव्ड. यस.
ओके. And how was the level of questions that came in the exam? क्योंकि कपलान से तुमने कपलान एग्जाम किट करी है, कपलान के बुक के टेस्ट अंडरस्टैंडिंग करे हैं, तो व्हाट डू यू फील कि जो एग्जाम में क्वेश्चंस आए थे वो कैसे, उनका लेवल क्या था कपलान और बीबी और कपलान के क्वेश्चन से?
ओके, सो कपलान में जो टेस्ट योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग्स और स्टडी टेक्स्ट में होते हैं, सो ऑलमोस्ट सिमिलर एग्जाम किट्स में होते हैं, लेकिन जो फाइनल एग्जाम मैंने दी उसमें मोर इट वाज मोर बेस्ड ऑन द कॉन्सेप्ट्स एंड लॉजिक. वी हैव टू यूज आवर लॉजिक एंड concept clarity is important there, because
कॉन्सेप्ट?
the question type of questions might differ, but if you know the concept clearly, you will be able to answer it.
Okay, okay, okay. So, Hensi, one last thing. I won't take much of your time. So, any tips you want to give to the students who F2 के exam के लिए आगे appear होंगे कि how can they plan their studies or how can they study so that they should also score good marks like 90 plus marks? So any tip for the students?
Yes, I would recommend that after every chapter, first we should do the theory part, like your videos, through your videos. First, watch the videos for one chapter, then make our own notes if they are needed, and do the exam kit questions relating to that chapter. Then, likewise, like in this way, we should do all the chapters, and by that time, our exam kit questions would be done. But then again, we should do the exam kit questions and give 2 to 3 mocks if possible before appearing for final exam.
Okay. Okay. So basically, you mean to say that while studying, you should do exam kit along with your chapters, and once all chapters are done, you should again do the exam kit. And after you're doing you're done with the exam kit again, then you should give 2 3 mocks just to see your marks, how much marks you are scoring, and उसके बाद कौन कौन से chapters में you need to improve more, कौन कौन से chapters में marks करते हैं. So this is what I always say to the
Yeah.
students, and you did it. This is really nice. And अब तुम्हारे knowledge level के कितने exams हो गए?
Yeah, I have completed my knowledge level, all 3 papers.
Okay, okay, okay. So, when did you started your ACC? I mean, like as in between your 12th boards exam, you were doing F2. तो तुमने ACC कब start करी थी?
Okay, so I started my coaching. I had joined a coaching class for F1, BNT, that Business and Technology. It was
Okay.
around end of July last year.
End of July. So
And
end of July last year. Okay.
okay, so then I gave my first paper, that was BNT, in October.
Okay.
But
So that
and
means you
just after
started your
that,
studies from 11th beginning, because normally 11th result, 10th result comes in May, June or July. So once you got the result, you started studying for ACC along with your class 11th.
no, I started in class 12th,
Class 12,
when my
sorry.
class 12, yes. Yes,
Okay.
so I started in class 12th. So in October, I gave my first paper. Now the question was like, for first paper, I had physical coaching classes.
Okay.
Then now after October, I was having my prelims for first semester exams, because this year we had semester examinations for boards. So in this November, December, my boards were coming and I had prelims and all. So I preferred recorded classes. I wasn't aware of your YouTube videos back then, so I had purchased those recorded classes. But even though I had purchased those, I used to watch your videos only for
Okay.
F3. That was financial accounting F3.
Okay.
So then I did. Then again there was so much, like in January, we had 2 functions of close relatives and house shifting was there. So I gave exam in mid-February, the
Okay.
second paper.
So how much marks you scored in F1 and F3?
In F1 I scored 79,
Okay.
and in F3 I scored 93.
93. That's really good. Really good. Okay, so that's really good, and I wish you all the best for your upcoming papers, and I hope कि जो मेरी videos हैं वो तुम्हें अगले papers में भी help करें. Just one small question. So if you want to if I want to ask this question कि अगर कोई student है and he is doing his knowledge level, so can he refer only to my studies and not go to the coaching? Because a lot of students have this query कि क्या अंशुल सर की वीडियो सफिशिएंट है एग्जाम के लिए, बिकॉज मैं तो सबको ये बोलता हूँ कि सफिशिएंट है, बट फ्रॉम अ स्टूडेंट पर्सपेक्टिव आई नीड टू हियर कि क्या जो मेरी वीडियोस हैं वो सफिशिएंट हैं या फिर कोचिंग की जरूरत पड़ सकती है इन एनी वे.
Yes, definitely your videos are like enough for knowledge level papers. I don't know about skill level because I've still not given any skill level paper. But yes, definitely for knowledge level, your videos are enough. And if they are unable to solve the exam kits by themselves, they can always take a subscription for exam kit videos.
Okay, okay. Okay, I got it. Thank you very much for this, and all the best for your upcoming papers. And I wish all the best. And I also hope that you score good marks, as like you were scoring 18 in 90 marks in account. So I wish that in the upcoming skill papers you also score 90 plus marks. And definitely, if you score that, you'll get a rank.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Chala. Okay, Hency,
Yeah.
take care, and thank you for being on the video.
Thank you for your videos, sir. Those are really helpful and a blessing for ACCA students.
This is the best I can do.
Uh,
Chala.
Thank you,
Bye,
sir.
Hency. Take care.
Bye, sir.